Hey guys, Marley Bogdan here with MarineMax Pompano Beach. Today we're going to take a look at the Boston Whaler 28 Outrage and see some of the best features on this boat. This boat is powered by twin Mercury Verados. They're 300 horsepower each. It's going to push your boat up to 60 miles per hour. The Outrage is the offshore fishing model from Boston Whaler, so that's going to come with everything you need to go fishing. You have in-floor fish boxes on both sides. You have rod storage. You have a dive door here, which you can use to bring on the big fish. And then you also have a live well right here, as well as rocket launcher in the hardtop. This specific boat comes with twin Simrad displays, and you also have joystick piloting, which is also going to give you skyhook and autopilot. In addition to being a great fishing boat, this boat also has a ton of seating and great spots to lounge when you're just hanging out at the sandbar. This huge lounge seat in the bow, and you also have a really nice JL audio system throughout the entire boat. Again, I'm Marley Bogdan. Thanks for hanging out with us on the Boston Whaler 28 Outrage. If you want to come by and see this boat in person, come see us at MarineMax Pompano Beach.